Welcome back to our channel, The Crafty Tale. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an amazing DIY cardboard nameplate. Let's get started. First, cut the cardboard as A4 size. Now it's time to create the brick-like texture. Using the cardboard small pieces cut as shown in the video to create the brick pattern.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Completion of bricks arranging. Take a bowl, add Fevicol and water. Mix it properly. Take a tissue paper, paste it on nameplate with glue and water.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.
Your texture is complete. It's time to paint. Choose your favorite color of acrylic paint. Start painting the surface of your nameplate. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies of the brick texture. Allow the paint to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once it dry, you can add another layer of paint for a more vibrant look if desired.
But I can't help my heart, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours. Always, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours.
Now it's time to create your name with molded clay. Mix molded clay as shown and Harris name on acrylic sheet or plastic cover.
But I can't help my heart, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours. Always, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours.
Completion of arranging. Let it dry fully. After dry, paint with your favorite color. Using a contrasting color of paint, carefully paint your name onto the nameplate. Take your time, make sure each letter is neat and legible.
But I can't help my heart, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours. Always, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart.
And now you can decorate on nameplate with different symbols. Here I decorate on nameplate with a tree and a small house and a bicycle. Paint it with your favorite colors.
But I can't help my heart, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours. Always, even though our time is short. There's always this piece of me that's yours. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart. My heart, heart, heart.
finish to protective paint, providing a glossy and durable coating. Finally, once everything is dry, use small clay to attach some hooks or thread on the back of the nameplate for hanging. And there you have it. You just created an amazing DIY cardboard nameplate with a brick-like texture. It's a perfect way to add some personalized flair to your home or office. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more creative DIY projects.